down.
Oh, guys, it's a sad day. Not because of this kung flu Chinese virus, whatever it's called. It's because I ran out of my bullet whiskey, guys. It's the end of the world, guys. It's the end of the world. I don't care about zombies or whatever's apocalypse now, but I just ran out of whiskey, guys. I'm ready to go, guys. I'm ready to go. What is that, Romeo?
Minecraft hands.
Holy moly, he has Minecraft hands, guys. Check it out.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
Look at that. Woo-hoo. Wow. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. My goodness, I need a haircut. Hope you guys are having a great day. Just reached home. I just did a couple live feeds today. And you know what? I wanted to show you guys what Jess picked up, was able to pick up over at Foodland, right, Jess? You went to Foodland? What? Foodland? Yeah, I just went over to Foodland, and I wanted to share with you guys what she picked up, what she was able to pick up. Because over here, how was the stock in Foodland, Jess? Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, guys. See, some aisles. What aisles, Jess? What?
Only a little bit of steak right there.
Little bit steak left.
Yeah, the chicken. Yeah, that's you know, it's a frozen chicken.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So what was wiped out in Foodland? What was wiped out? Nothing at all. What was that?
What you call this? Yeah, like the noodles. You know, kimchi noodles, cup noodles, rice. Canned food, the corned beef gone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the Vienna sausage gone. The meat, the aisle meat, only a little bit you can see it. Not too
much meat?
Not too much meat, only a little bit.
Alright.
No more nothing choice to, you know, to take a look, but just whatever.
Alright, that was the report from Jess. Thanks, Jess. Thanks for the report. Romeo, stop! Romeo, stop it. Stop. Romeo, stop it, son. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what Jess picked up. Okay, so she picked up some string beans right over there. And then, I don't think she picked this up. I think we already had that. There's a mosquito in here, I think. Oh, okay. And then we got some, what is this? She picked this up, some hamburger meat, guys. And hamburger meat is around, or is actually $9.76. She got some hot dogs right over there. And some tomatoes right there. And some bok choy, guys. Check it out. Alright, some bok choy action. Alright, guys. I do apologize about the kids yelling in the background. That's island life, guys. Island life. Hey, you guys are very rude. You guys are very rude. Yeah. Oh, looks like she picked up this too. Okay. So super sweet corn right there, guys. A couple monsters right there. And looks like she picked up good old Evan Williams. Yvonne Williams. So yeah, we're all set, guys. Right there. So if you guys are a fan of loud kids, if you guys like listening to that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button because the kids are just going off. They are going off, right, Eliza? Yeah, see? Eliza's going off. No, Eliza's a good girl. Eliza's a very good girl.
Yes, I'm a good girl.
Yeah. Oh. But very sarcastic though. Very good but sarcastic. Very good girl but very sarcastic. Alright, guys. What's up, Jess? We are here in Jessie's kitchen once again, guys. Say hello, Jess. Say hi. Yeah. So yeah. Like I said in my live stream, guys. Hey. Live stream curfew 9 p.m. We made it, guys. It is, what is it? It's 6:58. So we are home. and we are safe. No fine for us. We're not gonna get in trouble. Yeah, we're all good, guys. We're all good. All right. Okay, Jess, what are you gonna make?
Oh, I don't know.
Huh?
I really don't know.
You really don't know, Jess? What's going on there?
I don't know.
Oh, a cough, guys. A cough. Oh my God. All right, guys. We're gonna start to drink it up, guys. We're gonna probably drink some of this or leftovers, whatever's left over of this bullet bourbon, guys. Woo! This is my favorite. But we are not. We usually get this from Costco, right, Jess? Is that correct? Yeah. Yeah, we usually get this from Costco, guys.
But right now, I'm trying to stay away from Costco.
Yeah, we're trying to stay away from Costco and Walmart. So when are we gonna see each other again after this bottle? So for the meantime, like I said, I'm gonna drink that. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna pour a glass, and I'll once Jess starts cooking, I'll start the camera again. All right. Oh yeah, guys, I totally forgot to show you guys that. I'm gonna eat that tonight. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, baby. Okay, prepping the drinks, like I said.
So you cannot get that.
Wait, you didn't go today, did you?
No. I see in the people putting the Facebook line
Yeah.
all the way in the back. Oh, no way.
All right, Jess, what are you gonna make?
Oh,
Or you wanna keep it a secret yet? Keep it a secret yet?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever.
What? I know you have an idea. Yeah. All right, guys. So Jess is just preparing the string beans. Looks like we're gonna have some hamburger with string beans and super sweet corn. Yeah. All right, guys. All right, there. Ooh. Yeah. All right, guys. I am snacking on this thing right here. Wonton, guys. Right there. Who out there loves a wonton? Doesn't even want to get in focus. There you go, guys.
I watch only my dad how they prep everything. Not like you know, you dig in it and you don't know what to do. Okay? Just watch. I said just watch.
Okay. Okay, we'll watch it. Guys.
What's wrong with you?
I'm a Pokemon catcher. Guys, look at me. How about this? Come back here.
Eliza? Eliza, put your hat
On.
in your stuff.
Okay, on.
Okay.
All right, that's what you got there. Garlic action, guys.
Hey! Can you just stop?
Why done, Loki?
I like put this one though.
What is that?
That's good with the long rice and
Sardines.
sardines. Yeah.
Ronnie, I mean,
No,
eat
but
that.
no, not now, Jess, though, please.
No, I'm gonna
Don't
put
mix
this
it because
on.
I don't want to eat that and this at the same time.
Excuse
Ethan, what are you doing, Ethan?
I don't know.
Get away. Stop putting germs on that thing.
Move. You
Yeah,
guys
we didn't
move.
You didn't even wash your hand. You still touching the
What is this? You guys open it?
cutting board.
I don't know what that is.
Move.
Please.
Please.
Make
You did?
Oh, it's pretending. Guys, look at me now.
This is not belong here. Please take it
Guys,
out,
look.
please.
This is good perfect. Guys,
Hey, this.
look at me.
Can you guys put all you guys toys away, please? It's not allowed in my kitchen, please. Whatever we can find, we go cook it.
Oh, yeah. So you can survive, huh, Jess?
Oh yeah.
You can survive during a lockdown action, right, Jess?
Yeah, I just worry about this.
The kiddos.
Kiddos.
The kiddos, they
That's
can
why-
eat only one time a day. They don't care.
That's why
Hey,
I'm
the
buying
boy.
hot.
Huh?
What?
Yeah, no, huh? I said you guys can survive because you guys are able to eat only one time a day. That's no problem for you guys.
RJ,
right?
yeah, RJ can do
Oh,
that.
RJ can. He doesn't even have to eat. RJ,
Only he eat is carbs.
the only the only kid over here get problem is Mr. Big Mac over here.
Big man. Wait, what?
Oh yeah.
But I know that you're saying.
Eliza can go one day, one eat.
Mommy,
Romeo can go
can
one
we go eat
eat.
sushi and go
And then
hello?
Ethan boy is 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm hungry.
What the fuck?
Oh, I like eat sushi. Mommy, can we go get some sushi? I go, excuse me?
What sushi?
Yeah, I said, I thought we gotta go straight to stay away from the people. Oh, now I'm getting go sushi.
Well, right now we gotta just ration and we gotta save money, guys. Right? We gotta save money because everybody's cutting hours, cutting jobs.
Oh my god, what have you been?
But I ain't cutting my whiskey, guys. Because whiskey's on time, guys.
No cutting your whiskey.
I ain't cutting my whiskey. I'd rather cut something else besides cutting my whiskey. I would rather cut gas than my whiskey, man. Woo, I'd rather walk to work than cut my whiskey.
Stop.
Can I try onion bite? Oh, mommy.
No.
The thing is so.
Cookie corner, guys. Jessie's cookie corner. Yeah. Jess, where's your corner, Jess? Where is the corner?
Right there.
All right. Oh, that's the corner right there. Woo. Good job, Eliza.
Those are organs.
All
Yeah,
right.
I'm smart.
Okay, we're putting in the brains, guys. There we go. Brains.
Brains.
That's a brain?
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
not
that's brains. That's
Well, you really think?
Jessie's cooking corner. Look
not-
at the
that's not
kiddos.
brains.
We have the kiddos today. Good job. Look at that, guys. So the hamburger. Oh, you're not gonna put it all?
Bring cheeseburgers?
Cheeseburgers. How about cleaning your ear first?
And now like
There we go, guys.
Don't ask that.
The meat is cooking. Guys, do you smell what the rock is cooking, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day once again. We're over here. I do apologize. I think I gave some false information. The 9 p.m. curfew does not start until Friday, guys. And you know what? I am off tomorrow, Thursday. I am totally off. I'm totally stoked. I don't know what to do. It's my day off tomorrow. I mean, I took vacation. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go to Maui. I'm gonna film over there and come back later in the afternoon. Is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Huh? You guys gonna hold down the fort for me? Yeah, you guys gonna hold down the fort? Is that correct? Fort, not fort. Fort. F-O-R-T.
sound like you said fork.
You're another clean your ear nominee. Alright, guys. Yeah, so this is the real life, guys. Is this real life?
No.
Real life. Island life. Look at my kiddos. They're getting taller and bigger and all that. Look at them. Skinnier.
Excuse me. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Look at that. Pretty soon they're going to be preteens, guys. And then...
I'm already teen.
Oh, my God.
He's a childless teen.
What?
He's a childless. He's shorter than me. He's a child teen.
Short, son.
Oh, yeah?
He can't
He's a
even-
child teen, huh?
Yes, he acts like a child.
Like this tall already.
Oh, yeah. And then Eliza's going to be a model. You're already a model, aren't you, Eliza? What are you going to model, Eliza?
Like down
What?
here.
Nice.
Yeah?
Don't.
Eliza knows how to pose. Eliza, flash a pose, Eliza. Flash one of those nice poses.
Yeah,
Better than
I
your
know the
auntie.
people that watch those little boys.
Yeah?
They're like,
Do one of those
Whoa!
Instagram poses. Instagram
I
poses.
don't have Instagram.
Oh, you don't have Instagram? Oh, TikTok poses.
Yeah, I
Don't
followed
everybody
you.
do?
Yeah, TikTok dances.
What's the favorite pose
There's dances.
TikTok girls do? What's the
It's
favorite?
not poses, it's dances.
Oh, dances? Okay, do bust out a dance then. Let's go.
Oh wait, let's get the music. Let's get the. Give me.
No, you gotta put the music.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, no, yeah, copyright claim, man. That's it. No copyright claim, guys.
Wait,
Alright, guys. Alright, so the cooking is going on, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are enjoying another episode of Jessie's Cooking Corner. I'm over here just relaxing with my first glass of whiskey. Yep. I don't know. I might go visit Photogopher tonight, guys. What do you guys think?
Nobody go out.
What?
9 o'clock.
No. Hello. It starts on Friday, so I might as well go and
Doesn't matter. You have
visit
to
my
start-
cousin Sin later. No?
You have to start now.
Oh man, this is the first time
Have to
Jess
stay and be
has
safe.
stopped me from going out. Usually I can just go out
No, you can't.
at will, guys. I don't even have.
10.
Well, I do ask, but you know what? She lets me go out most of the time. Thank you, Jess.
She's a good.
Stay, be safe. Safe.
Oh.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's hot.
Jess,
Huh?
stay in the kitchen and make me some damn tacos. Yeah.
You want a car?
Taco you're talking about right there. Right there. Your taco right there. Right there. That's the taco, okay? Whatever.
Jess didn't tell me what was going on over here, guys.
Oh, because you're talking.
Talking too much? So Jess
Yeah.
just put in the string beans, guys. Look at that. Oh, you also put in the corn. Is that correct, Jess?
Yeah.
All right. So the string beans and corn has been put in, guys. Look at that.
Quarantine.
Ooh, quarantine. Good one. Yeah.
Quarantine.
Man. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. That is. Yeah, man. Quarantine. Yeah, good one, Jen. That's a good one. Holy camole, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Ooh, I am ready to eat, Jess. Is that ready to go or what?
No,
Not yet.
it's not cooked.
Ah, man.
It's not cooked the long beans. Hello.
Look at that.
Yummy.
Yummy. Holy
Yummy,
camole,
yummy.
guys.
In
I
my
am-
tummy.
Yeah. Whew. Man. Hope you guys are having a great night, and I hope you guys are enjoying this episode of Jesse's Cooking Corner, guys.
Be safe, you guys.
Be safe. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the ending product in a few minutes.
Oh my
guys.
goodness, we have a lot of drinks right here. Before the quarantine.
The quarantine's in the
So you
house.
have to get this.
Yeah, we're ready for a second cup. Hey, you know what? It is your turn, Jess, to.
Me?
Yeah.
My hand is dirty.
Ooh.
You do it. You have a clean hands. I've been touching right there. So you will.
Oh yeah. All right, guys.
Thank you.
I'm gonna make another drink, and then hopefully we'll enjoy the quarantine special pretty soon, guys.
Oh yeah. Calm down.
Oh, guys, it's a sad day. Not because of this kung flu Chinese virus, whatever it's called. It's because I ran out of my bullet whiskey, guys.
Your bullets.
It's the end of the world, guys. It's the end of the world. I don't care about zombies or whatever's apocalypse now, but I just ran out of whiskey, guys. I'm ready to go, guys. I'm ready to go. We are ready to eat, guys. Check it out. Woo! Look at that, guys. All right, guys. Look at that. Okay. How is that? How is that? Look at that.
Why is there corn?
Because it's quarantine. That's right.
Quarantine. What you
Come
mean?
on, let's get
Come
with the
on, guys.
program here.
Not just
Yeah, it's not quarantine. It is.
quarantine.
Yeah, baby.
I like it just with no corn.
Hey, eat your corn, boy.
Yeah.
Eat your corn. Get a fork. Yeah. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna enjoy the quarantine special. Made possible
Enough already. Don't
made possible by Jess.
Stop. Eat
Make
the
sure you hit
what?
that
Good.
subscribe button and the thumbs up, right, Ethan boy? And also that notification bell so you guys don't miss a thing, guys. All right. So
Don't miss it.
yeah, don't miss a thing, guys. Don't miss a thing. I'll keep you guys updated as much as possible here on the beautiful island of Kauai. But for the time being, yes, we are self-quarantining. But tonight, it's gonna be quarantine tonight. Yeah. All right, guys. Peace out. Woo.